Creating an online course sounds complicated. You think you need fancy slides, a designer, a copywriter, weeks of work, but truth be told, you don't. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a complete course using Gamma AI, from idea to structured lessons in a way that is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If you're a business owner, coach, freelancer, or creator, this will save you hours. Let's get into it. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up for completely free and test it out yourself. And this is an example course that I created. Learn to ride a bicycle. You can see the layout, and I'll also be showing you how to add interactive video, for example YouTube videos and so on, and how to add buttons as you can see right here. Once on the home page, you are going to tap on Start for free, and from there you can sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you're going to tap on Paste in Text. After you have selected Paste in Text, from here you're just going to add in the outline and the information that you would like to add in your course. So if you like assistance, what I would recommend you do is open a new tab, and you can go onto Google Gemini, or you could go onto ChatGPT. So for example, I want to create a course on how to use my iPhone to create cinematic videos. All I did was simply type in the prompt, and then from there I'll simply scroll down, and I'm just going to copy the outline. After you have copied the outline, you go back into Gamma and you're going to paste it right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Generate from Notes or Add Outline, and you're going to tap on Continue to Prompt. After you have done that, what I want you to do next is you have two options. So you can change the format to freeform, or you can select card by card. If you were to select card by card, what you'll need to do is you're going to need to copy each module. So you'll copy module 2, for example, then you're going to scroll down, tap on add card, and you're going to paste in that. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to select freeform. Then I want it to be added on 8 cards. So I'm going to select 8 cards right there. So it is going to be stretched across 8 cards. You can also go over to the left hand menu option, and you have different editing options that you can choose from. For example, you can write in who you are targeting right here. You can also change the tonality. You can change the output language, and you can also select the theme. And I'll be showing you how to change the theme, which is basically the format. You could also scroll down and you could change the image source from AI images if you want, and you could change it to something else. I'll be showing you how to do that also. We're just going to tap on Generate. After you have selected Generate, you're going to give it a few seconds while your course is being generated. And you can see right here, they are creating the home page, then they are going to be creating each module page. And remember that I selected 8 pages, so we will give it a few seconds. And you can see that the AI images are actually very good. And you can see how it would look from the left hand menu option. Now when it comes on to editing, what I would recommend you do is you can scroll up. You can tap what you would like to change. You could select a particular text. After you have done that, you're going to see the editing options right here. So you could type in the text if you want. If it is a case that you would like to add a link, you can do that. If you would like to use the AI to edit it, you can do that also. So all you need to do, you could tap right here on the 3 dots which you'll see for each text box, as you can see there. After you have done that, it is going to select the entire text box, and you could tap on the Edit with Agent option. And from there, you can type in what you would like to change. So for example, if you like to expand text, you could do that. And you can see right there, it is going to open up a chat window on the right hand column. And if it is to your liking, you can simply select what you would like. You can see right here, the modified option. You can select the modified option. If you would like to stick with the original option, you can select original. So you can choose whichever one of these options right here. After it is finished, you're just going to tap on the X to close out. So you can see that it is different now. If it is a case that you would like to also change the image, you can do that. You can tap right here and you can choose Edit with Agent, and again you can change the image. And you can also tap here and you could change the card style if you want, so you could change the layout just like that. If it is a case that you would like to, for example, add in a video, so let's say we were to scroll down and we would like to add a video right here. All we'll need to do is we could go over to the right hand column. From the right hand column, you can see different elements that you can add. First, you have the option to add text, you can add images, and then from there you have the smart layout option. You can also add cards and graphs, and you can see the videos and media. We are going to select videos and media. After you have selected videos and media, you could choose to add loom recording, any video or audio, or if you would like to add YouTube videos, you can do that. TikTok videos, you have numerous options. Let's say for example, we were to select YouTube videos. After selecting YouTube, you can simply drag and place it right there. Then all you need to do now is simply add in the video URL. After you have added in the video URL, the video would be added right there. It's as easy as that. And if it is a case that you would like to add a button, for example, you can do that. So you can tap on Smart Layout, and from there you can see different options. So you can, for example, say if it is a case that you would like to add a bulletin point, you can do that. If you like to add a button, you can do that. You have different options, as you can see right here, and it's quite beginner friendly and easy to use. And you can scroll down and you can continue editing each section, and again you can edit it either manually or you can choose to edit it with AI. And if it is a case that you would like to delete a particular box, you can do that by going over to the left hand menu option. You can choose to add a new card if you want, and if you like to delete a card, you can do that. You can tap right here and you'll be able to delete it. Once everything is there, all you need to do now is select share. From here you can tap on export and you can choose to export it as a PDF, or if it is a case that you would like to, for example, export it PowerPoint, you have different options that you can choose from. You could also tap on, for example, share, and you will be able to share it. You can tap on embed, and this is where you'll be able to paste it or publish it as a site if you want. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.